Wie's dit?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So it's my book and it's my mother and we're going to do Mother's Day today and we're going to do this recipe called Tannie Hetta's apple pie. So it's a recipe I grew up with and it's a perfect recipe for you and the kids to make for your mother or wife and or partner on Mother's Day, which is coming up, and let's do this. So it's super simple, super simple. So Theodore, kyk gou hierso. Kyk hier, okay? Hierdie is botter. Is botter lekker? Is it your favorite? Okay. And sugar. And we're going to cream these two together. Bam. Kan vir my daai asseblief? Lekker, dankie. Cool. So, while they're creaming, we're going to sift together some dry ingredients. So it's flour, bit of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Skit hom vir my. Mooi. Skit, né? Can you see? Dankie. So while we're busy creaming butter and sugar, we're going to mix together the eggs and the milk. Okay, go. So what's going to happen now is we've got cream, sugar and butter. We're now going to add a little bit of alternatives actually. We're going to add a little bit of flour, bang, like that. Okay, over fast, and a little bit of our milk egg mixture. Great stuff, and we're going to just mix it through slowly. Nog 'n bietjie. Dankie. Nog 'n bietjie hiervan. So I'm trying to retire early. So the faster he learns to cook, the faster I can retire of the restaurants and he can just carry on. I think we're going to achieve it by age 6. Yes. Cool. Kyk gou hierso. So kyk as papa vir jou wys, né? Look at that. Got this wonderful sort of batter like that. And you could poach apples with like, you know, vanilla, cardamom, white wine, you know, whatever, make it really sexy if you wanted to. However, we're going to cheat. So we're just using some tinned apples today, which you can buy. It makes it super simple. So while your spouse is in bed, hanging out, you can do this in the morning with the kids quickly. Dankie. Wat maak Theodore? Maak Theodore ook chef?
Ja.
Is dit waar werk jy?
In jou restaurant.
In my restaurant. Dankie. Okay, cool. Ons druk soveel as moontlik van hulle in. Thanks. Dankie my gog. Cool. So the oven is now set at 180 degrees Celsius. Whoa, okay, that's genoeg. Dankie. Dis wild, hè? Okay, oven is set at 180. This is yummy. Okay, oven set at 180. I'm going to pop this in and we're going to wait for about 35 minutes, I reckon. Cool. While it's in the oven, we're going to make a little flavorful syrup. And the syrup is just to soak the tart with when it comes out. So, heavy pan. Gooi vir my hierdie in asseblief tog, suiker in. Grazie. Wat is die vinnigste kar in die wêreld? Bugatti. Okay. Bugatti is die vinnigste kar. Okay, daai gaan in. This is cardamom and cinnamon. Got a little bit of a car and bike thing that we share, myself and Theodore. And then cream. So just pouring cream in. We're going to bring all of this up to the boil. Sugar will melt and dissolve in the cream. It's nice and rich and sweet, obviously, lightly spicy. Kyk hierso. Wat sê jy? Sê ons wow. Wow, wee. Klap handjies vir my asseblief. Klap handjies. Dankie. Cool. So this guy's out, and all we're going to do now is very simply just soak it with the syrup, and that's that.
Sit the baie op.
Ek sit 'n baie op.
Ja.
Sure. And sort of help the syrup soak. You can also poke it with a fork or a knife, and it just pulls in everywhere and becomes a little bit ridiculous. So that's it. That's the easiest thing you can do for your sweetheart darling on Mother's Day, and a super cool homemade apple pie with your kids. Simple recipe. Make it, enjoy it. I hope you have a lot of fun. Lekker. Wat dink jy? Sê bye vir die mense. Bye mense. Lekker dag.